Hey everyone, welcome back. The Galaxy S26 series is easily one of the hottest topics in the leak world right now. And today, we're breaking down the five biggest leaks about Samsung's upcoming flagship lineup. Number one, the Galaxy S26 Edge might be canceled. This is where it all started. Samsung was reportedly planning to replace the Plus model with a super slim Galaxy S26 Edge designed to rival the iPhone Air. But due to poor demand for last year's S25 Edge, the latest rumors suggest Samsung has dropped the Edge model altogether. Confidence level? Pretty high. So yeah, the Edge might be gone, at least for now. Number two, launch delay incoming. Because of these late changes, the Galaxy S26 lineup could launch later than usual. Instead of the traditional mid-January reveal, leaks now point toward a March announcement, with mass production kicking off in January. That's what happens when plans change at the last minute. Number three, no Galaxy S26 Pro. At one point, rumors suggested Samsung would skip the base model and go with a Pro instead. Now it seems they're sticking to the classic naming scheme, Galaxy S26, since the Pro version didn't really have any unique Pro features to begin with. Number four, the Plus model is back. Yep, the Galaxy S26 Plus is returning, at least for one more year. After the S25 Edge's weak sales, Samsung is reportedly bringing back the Plus model, which is also one of the main reasons behind the launch delay. They simply need more time to ramp up production for it. Number five, the Ultra remains the king. Finally, something solid. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is confirmed to stay as Samsung's top-tier beast, with all the bells and whistles. Expect a regional split between Exynos and Snapdragon chips, along with minor design tweaks like a revamped camera bump and slightly rounder corners. Unlike the Edge or Plus confusion, the Ultra's existence is rock solid. So in short, what started as a major shakeup for the Galaxy S26 lineup has now turned into a full-on reversal, bringing Samsung right back to its familiar strategy. It's a great reminder of just how chaotic flagship development can be behind the scenes. What do you think? Were you excited for that slim Galaxy S26 Edge? Drop your thoughts below. Hit like if you want to stay up to date on Samsung leaks, and make sure to subscribe for more tech updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.